stand up. Oh, yeah. Hey. Morning sunrise over broken land. Barefoot children, strength in their hand. History heavy, tears in the rain, but the spirit of the people never change. Drums in the jungle, heartbeat strong. Ancestors whisper, hold on, hold on. From the islands down to the shore, we've been silent far too long before. They try to take your voice away, but truth still finds its way. Freedom not a crime to say. We rise another day. One talk, stand strong, side by side. One blood, one soul, one pride. From island roots to mountain flame, we call your name. West Papua, we call your name. One talk, no fear, no shame. Freedom fire we reclaim. You are not alone, hear the call. West Papua, rise for all. Mama cry but she still pray for a brighter peaceful day. Youth them marching with open hands, asking only for their land. No more silence, no more lies. Open eyes, open eyes. We no come with hate or gun, only truth and justice run. The world must hear this sound. Our people still unbound. No one can stop the truth. From the elders to the youth. One talk, stand strong, side by side. One blood, one soul, one pride. From island roots to mountain flame, we call your name. West Papua, we call your name. One talk, no fear, no shame. Freedom fire we reclaim. You are not alone, hear the call. West Papua, rise for all. Freedom, we chant it. Justice, we need it. Peace now, believe it. West Papua, we feel it. From Fiji shore to Solomon's way. Vanuatu heart, PNG brave. Melanesian blood run deep. Wantok, promise we keep. Wantok, hold the line. Your struggle is also mine.